Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start in West Game 2. West Game 2 is a strategy mobile game where you build cities, train troops and compete in battles. To get started in West Game 2, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in West Game 2 and search. From the search results, look for the game, this one over here, from Lei Games. Once you're in this page, go ahead and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your device. Wait for the application to install, which will take a couple of minutes. Tap on the play button once the download is complete. Now, go through the tutorial. You will then be able to learn how to build structures, train troops, and collect resources from the in-game tutorial. Do not skip the tutorial as they provide starter rewards and gems. Then you can go ahead and build your city effectively. Focus on main resource buildings first and claim your rewards as you progress. Then you will be able to recruit and level up heroes, complete daily missions, gather resources, and you'll be able to join the Alliance early. So that is how you will be able to get started with West Game 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.